What the? Well, that's no good. All right, today we are gonna be fixing a leaky, rusty pipe. It's old, it needs to be replaced, and by doing so, we can then get water here. So let's do it. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm going to shut off the water to that valve. I'm going to disconnect it from the line. Then I'm gonna take that valve and take it to Home Depot. I'm gonna match it with the same one that I need, and then come home, swap it out, turn the water back on, and we should have water and ice going to the fridge. So let's go check it out and see what we need. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna turn off the water. So there's a knob right here. It's really on there. All right, so I can't get it off with my hands. I'm gonna use something else. All right, this is pretty much how most of these projects go, where it's like, you know, I think it's gonna be super simple, and then I start it and it's not actually as simple. Like, the simplest part of this whole project is probably turning off the water, and I wasn't able to do that, so. Need a bigger one, a bigger one. Are you kidding me? Now we're talking. This is the handle here. I have accidentally bent it completely, so. And we should be good to go. How hard can it be, right? All right, I went ahead, I turned off the main water valve, so I'm just gonna open up this faucet here, make sure that all the water is draining out. All right, so there is a little bit of water in the line, quite a bit. I've got the piece. This is what I need to replace. We've got an angle needle valve, 1/4 inch by 1/8 inch. Supposedly we'll replace this. I've got the new piece. This is the new piece right here. I did this. This will just kind of help seal it a little bit better so it doesn't get... All right, I've got it all reassembled. I'm gonna go turn the main valve back on and then just double check this and make sure there's no leaks. Get that running. And now I'll double check again and make sure. I don't really see any leaks, so really only time will tell. Kind of tastes a little funny. So far there's no leaks or anything underneath the sink. Over time I'll just kind of monitor that and make sure we successfully did what we set out to do. And the part cost me $7, I think, $7.47 or something like that. So really an inexpensive fix, and we have no more leak and we have water. So sick. Hopefully you learned something, and if you didn't, stick around, you might learn something later. Cool, stick around.